Good morning, everyone. My name is Thanpitcha Chaisomboon. I'm glad to be here to present on developing a predictive model for hospital readmission in late preterm newborn with neonatal jaundice. Newborn, including late preterm, usually undergo screening for jaundice with a blood test for microbilirubin or MB at 48 hours. However, late preterm are often readmitted with jaundice or diagnosed during a follow-up at 7 days. This study aimed to develop a predictive model for hospital readmission due to jaundice in late preterm. This case control study collected data retrospectively during specified periods as mentioned. The domain consists of late preterm newborn with GA 34 weeks to 36 weeks plus 6 days. The determinant include gender, GA, mode of delivery, pre-discharge MB above 75 percentile, and percent weight loss as 48 hours. The outcome is hospital readmission due to jaundice within 7 days. Over 7 years data collection, 830 late preterm newborn were initially included. However, as the study focused on healthy late preterm newborn, a large number were excluded. Finally, healthy late preterm newborn, 60 healthy late preterm newborn remain for analysis, divided into two groups: those with jaundice requiring phototherapy and those without jaundice. Using multivariable logistic regression analysis, 3 predictors were identified: pre-discharge MB above 75 percentile, GA, and percent weight loss at 48 hours. The model demonstrates excellent discriminative ability, achieving an AUROC of 87%. The calibration plot indicating a strong agreement between predicted probabilities and observed outcomes. Using the bootstrapping method for internal validation, the model apparent and bootstrap performance were similar, demonstrating robust consistency. The Shinx gauge factor indicating minimal overfitting. This study designed an application to predict the chance of readmission due to jaundice within 7 days as presented. Many studies have focused on term or preterm newborn, with very few addressing late preterm newborn. A study conducted in Taiwan identified a set of predictors similar to those in our study. The model achieved an AUROC of 79%, demonstrating acceptable discrimination. In conclusion, this model may be useful for predicting the chance of readmission due to jaundice within 7 days. The time point of prediction in this model is 48 hours immediately after obtaining the MB result. Further research with a larger sample size is recommended to enhance the study power and validity. I would like to acknowledge the person listed above for their assistance and will end the presentation at this point. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation. I have two questions. First one, what is the criteria to select the variables to be included in the model? And the second one, could you explain more a little bit about the difference or similarity between ROC and C statistic?
This study, we focus on healthy late preterm newborn. So the exclusion criteria is the newborn with the complication. Yes, that will be
My first question is, try want to ask, how do you select the variable to be included
to
in the model?
variable include how to choose variable. We choose by collected data from medical record.
Okay.
Yeah.
And my second question is that what difference or similarity between C statistic and ROC?
C statistic and ROC is the same value that indicate the performance of model. Yeah.
Thank you for good presentation. I have only one question. What is the definition of the jaundice? Do you use the AAP 2022 hyperbilirubinemia guideline to identify the jaundice in this study?
Yes.
And do you add the neurotoxicity risk factor?
No, in this study, we just focus on healthy without any complication.
And what is the cause of the jaundice in this study?
From the medical record, the primary cause of breastfeeding jaundice.
Thank you.
Okay, it was such an interesting topic. So thank you for your presentation.